I just wanted to give you a view of our world, Nigel's Jamaican almond world, and just show you some things about the almonds and how we do it. What you see in the background here is oil actually being filtered. It's a slow process, but it definitely is worth the wait. This is what it looks like when it first comes out from being cold pressed, and then it's slowly filtered into clear oil. We actually bottled up some oil, quite a few bottles here. We have more. And these are the actual almonds. We wild harvest these. We hand crack them and shell them, and then we cold press them into the most incredible oil. It's wonderful for your skin, your hair. It's completely natural and organic. We don't add anything to it, don't take anything from it, and it's all made with love. So we hope you enjoy.